Hey, what's up guys, here's Unbrick back again with another video, and in this video we're going to take a look on how to unbrick the YU YUPHORIA. So guys, let's get started. So guys, let me show you that what is the problem with this YUPHORIA. So this YUPHORIA is not booting up into the system, it is booting up into the TWRP recovery, which I have installed it in previously. So as you guys can see, this is the TWRP recovery or TWRP recovery. So in your case, your phone may be in the boot loop. So for doing anything, first of all we have to power off the device, or you can power off the device by taking out the battery from the phone. So just power off the device right now. And after powering off your device, you just have to enter into the fast boot mode. So for doing that, you have to press some key combinations. So the key combinations are power button and volume down button. So you have to hold the buttons simultaneously and you will be into the fast boot mode. So after powering off your device, you just have to take a USB cable, and if you don't have one, then you can plug one from your charger and you are good to go. Then after taking a USB cable, you just have to plug one end of the USB cable to your phone and then place it somewhere where the connection would not be interrupted. Then plug the another end of your USB cable to the USB port of your system. Now download all the files from the link given in the description box below and then open the first file, which is ADB drivers. Now in the command dialog box, type in Y for 3 times and your drivers will be installed. Now move ahead to the another 2 files that you have downloaded earlier and then extract the both zip files. After extracting the zip files, you will get 2 folders. Just open up the second folder named YU YUPHORIA and then go to the firmware folder and delete everything except images folder. Now just go back and open the first folder named factory images flash and copy all the files from there and then paste everything to the images folder. Now before starting the flashing process, just make sure that your phone is properly connected via USB cable. Now double click on the flash all file and the flashing process will start. The process will take a lot of time, so I will just fast forward it and I will meet you after the completion of flashing process. Now as you guys can see, the phone is successfully booted up and running. So let's set up the phone. So the phone is successfully set it up, and now let's see that on which Android version the phone is running. So it is running on Android 5.1.1. And yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one.